Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Fendi unboxing. I may just have a little addiction to Fendi. Okay, so let me explain this purchase. I was on the Fendi site the other day, you know, as you do, just looking around, and I was looking for a few things and just really researching a few new items that had come out from Fendi, because I do that with other labels too, not just what's wrong with you, Poppy? Sorry, Poppy. I think you want to be fed, don't you, Poppy? Just wait until I finish this video. So just looking at what was available, and I spotted this item, and I knew I just had to have her. So let's just say cheers. I'm back to celebrating a few unboxings with a glass of champagne or wine. So this is Mumm. We had this left over from yesterday when we had friends over, so I need to finish this off. Nice. Girl, stop it. Okay, so I went and saw Sophia as usual. Hey, no, sorry. Girls, stop it. These are Westies. If people don't know, they love to play. They're two sisters, they get on, but this is what they do. If one doesn't want to play, the other one barks, and vice versa. All right, let's get back to the unboxing. You're not here for the dogs. The black ribbon. Okay, hopefully the receipt is in here so that I can explain what this is called. I think I know what it's called, but let's get it right. So we have the box. Ooh, what's in it? Let me see where the receipt is. Where is it? Oh yes. It's in here. Okay, here's the envelope. Okay, before I unbox this, let me just explain. This is a fun piece that, like I said, didn't necessarily want it, but the color is what got me, and there might be a few people that can guess that. One could be Dale from Dale's Addiction. She might be able to guess this. See if you can guess this, Dale. So here we go, let's unbox it. So it comes in this little bag. Let's unbox it and then I'll explain why I got her. So, drum roll. No, let's just have a sip. Okay, let's just go back to front. Yellow. It's yellow. Yes, it's yellow. So let me just. Now let me see, I think this is called the Mini Sunshine Shopper Tote in yellow, but let me just check that that's the right name. I just saw one unboxing of this today, had the tan one, so let me see what it's called. It is called, okay, okay, I did order something else. So it just says mini bag Fendi in calf leather. So the price on this is 2,450 Australian dollars. So I believe it's the Mini Sunshine shopping tote. You know, there's the big one that says Fendi that you take away. It's the biggest shopping tote. This is the mini one. So the reason people that know me will probably, not necessarily this bag, will probably guess that I wanted a yellow bag. I have wanted a yellow bag for so long. When I got my birthday bag, which is the Peekaboo essentially, I really wanted to go yellow, but I thought, will I use it a lot? I felt my Fendi essentially, well, the Peekaboo was, I think, 6,200, something like that. And I nearly bought the yellow Peekaboo at the time, but I thought it's a lot of money to spend. I'll get my pink bag, which I don't regret. I love that bag, I adore that bag. But when I saw this in the yellow and I saw the price, I thought I'm going to buy a fun piece from Fendi that's in yellow, and I feel like I can justify this in the fact that I'm not spending $6,000, I'm spending the 2,400. And I feel like this is a fun bag. And I can just dip my toe a little bit into the yellow bag and see how much I use a yellow bag. I've always loved yellow. I find it a happy color, and I just love color. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I wear a lot of prints and patterns and color. So this for me, oh, there's a strap. Thought it was going to be connected, but it isn't. So this is the strap that attaches. So I'm going to wear this crossbody. But what do I love about this? One, the color, but I also love these resin handles, which are sort of like a tortoiseshell, I suppose, a tortoiseshell. I'm a resin lover, and I just think I could wear this with the strap crossbody casually with some jeans. Not that I'm a jean lover, but a casual outfit, and just wear it crossbody and go out. I haven't got my phone. I'll have to do a video after this. I'll have to do what fits in this bag, because this is a really tiny bag. It might be hard to, just look at the size and realize, but it is quite tiny. So the video after this, when I get a chance, will be on what fits in this bag. But I love her. I love the little FFs here, the gold hardware. I love the stitching. I love the color. I just love that it's got these little feet. And I think I'm just into cute bags. I just think she's gorgeous. I love the lining. What does it say in here? Oh, this might have the name on it. There's a card in here. So, this is, yes, the Mini Sunshine Shopper. So yeah, and it says Perspex? I don't know. I think it's like resin anyway. I think that might have been the handles. Maybe acrylic handles basically. So that's her, and like I said, she's very tiny. She has like a striped cotton inside, and this strap is adjustable, so I will probably adjust it to the longer adjustment so that I can wear it crossbody. I am 5'7". I will post some pictures. We've got a few in store today to show you what she looks like against my body. But that is her. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. But I am so happy to have her in my collection. And she's yellow. So don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.